What's up everyone? Slay Buddha back here with another video, another GU breakdown. Oh, it was a sexy trade. It ran. Now I took partials at 50R. That was the last partials I took. I still have a little runner, but you know, it's nothing significant. I actually wanted to aim, like close everything out at 60R, in line with this order block over here, but price reversed at the 4-hour OB instead. So yeah, that was that. But I took partials at 50R, and then this was Thursday's trade. I've already closed this trade though, but yeah, I took partials at 30R. I was also aiming for 45R on this one, but yeah, price didn't get there. That's totally fine. I was satisfied with the price for the week, more than satisfied. So let's look at the proof. Let's see the entry for, oh, such a beautiful entry, guys. Oh, before that I almost forgot. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. Don't be a dumbass. Alright? Cool. Let's move on. Is this recording? Okay, yeah, it's recording. So let's look at the trade. So yeah, two partials. My last partials at 50R. Look at that entry, guys. Just so beautiful. Beautiful entry. Let's go back to the day I took it though. That was on Tuesday. Was it this trade? What day was Tuesday? Okay, yeah, it was after this. So first I took a buy. We'll actually go to the buy. I took a buy and I got stopped out of break even. Right. Yeah, I got stopped out of break even. Cool. And then I took the sell. So I took it with my phone. I took some partials at 4 hours just because I was trading my phone and I wasn't behind the screen and I was busy. So I was at the gym actually. So yeah, I just took some partials, not a lot though. Very little partials just to cover for commission a little bit. And yeah, I took another entry here, and then it stopped me out of break even. Then it went to hit my TP. It was really annoying, but whatever. It didn't hurt that bad because I was ready in this trade. Took my partials at 10R right here. Just look at that entry, guys. Just look at this sexy entry. Beautiful. And then more at 15R, so I caught the high of this hour candle. Sexy entry. Ooh, I need to gas myself up, guys. Took more at 20R, still left some there, and then eventually took more off at 40R. This was Thursday's trade. 40R, and then okay, this was Thursday's trade as well. 30R. Let me just show you Thursday's trade as well. Sexy. I would have got a better entry, but psychology problems. You can go read my journal if you want to know why. But anyway, finally closed at 50R. Still have a little runner left, but GU might just be bullish from here on out. So yeah, let's break it down. Actually, before we break it down, 1-to-1 sessions I'm closing, so I'm gonna edit it later on and announce it here. But no more 1-to-1 session, guys. I'm done. I have a lot of people asking me all the time, and I just want to focus on my trading for now. So if I open it up again, maybe in April or something, I'm actually thinking of opening a different type of mentorship where I'm only picking maybe 3 people per month. But I don't know. I'm still speculating. I'm still thinking about it. That is not important right now. Let's break down the trade. So let's go to another chart actually. Let's break down what I saw on GU. Let's go back here. So first, let's start with daily structure. I've already talked about the weekly enough times, so you can check the last video for that. But daily structure here, we are bullish because we've broken the structure to the upside. We took out some liquidity from here as well. So we have, it's a very slight raid, but we have stop on BMS. Obviously, I'm looking for the RTO, so that I can buy to this order block where I'm going to look for sells. So that was the daily breakdown. Very simple. You can see all the liquidity resting here, right here, for this order block to look for sells. So I know I want to buy to my sell. Go down to the 4-hour time frame to look, where do I want to buy from? We're super bullish, and I'm thinking, if there's anyone I want to buy from, obviously I want to buy from discount, right? So pull your fib from the low to the high, and I want to buy from anything below the 50%. So I see this clean 4-hour OB here, I mark it out. And if you break through here, I know, okay, the next OB I want to buy from is right here. Okay, so those are my two POIs. I'm just going to remove them because it's not important right now to buy from. Now I'm going to think, how am I going to take my sells? Actually, how am I going to take my sells to take my buys to take my sells, you know? So I was actually thinking we're going to sell off here first and then, you know, buy off, or maybe react from this POI here, something here. I'm just going to take this out. I was thinking, okay, we're going to come here actually to sell off from, after grabbing all the liquidity from below here, from this, I think it's like a trend line maybe. Let's check. Is that a trend line? Kind of a trend line right here. So I was thinking how we're gonna sell off from here, but what I saw is that I started off from the 15-minute, and I saw we took out. Here. So I saw we took out some liquidity from here, very slight liquidity grab right here, but it wasn't convincing enough for me. We took out liquidity from here, this like kind of range here. It wasn't convincing. I was like, you might actually take out this liquidity again before going lower. So that's why I was looking for buys, especially because we already came off this 30-minute order block over here. So I was thinking, okay, maybe we're going to continue the bullish run to get to the other POI I was talking about, where I was thinking we're going to sell from, which is right, just to show you guys one more time. Is it on the 4 hour? What the? Yes, I was thinking I was going to buy to the sell, to this sell from this POI over here. You can call it a breaker if you want to. It's this hidden order block here, or king OB, whatever you want to call it. So I was thinking of buying from this 30-minute order block over here, go down straight to the 1-minute time frame. We already came off this OB. This would have been the perfect entry, sexy entry, but this was right before London session, but I wasn't behind the charts. So I was thinking of, where was my buy from, honestly? I don't remember. Was it from here? Maybe it was from there. I don't remember where the buy was from, honestly. Was it lower? Man, I don't remember at all. Okay, yeah, it was from here. It was from here. I was thinking of buying from here to continue to go higher. So I was thinking, okay, because quickly we're going to go higher, but then I got stopped at a break even right here. Actually, I took my first entry was here, set to break even because I wasn't really confident about this trade. It wasn't there wasn't a lot of confidence on my side, so I set to break even quickly and I got stopped out. Blah blah blah. That's fine, whatever. And then I'm thinking, okay, maybe we're not bullish, you know, maybe we're going to be bearish today, but I still want to see a lot of confirmation. I want to see a lot of confidence on my side telling me we're going to be bearish. So the first thing I saw, I went down to the 1 hour time frame, and I was looking for where this reaction came from. Where did this push down come from? You know, you want to understand every movement in the market based off smart money concepts. So I'm thinking, let me just draw a line out there. Where did this push down come from? What did it do? And I see, okay, first of all, we took out all this liquidity from here and all this liquidity from here from 2 previous daily highs. That's a lot of liquidity, previous weekly highs. So we took out a lot of liquidity from here into something in here. So there's probably like a smaller time from order block inside here that we reacted off of. I'm not gonna go and check it right now. You can go check it in your free time. But the main thing is that we took out a lot of liquidity from these highs over here. So after that, you know, I still want to see confirmation, especially because, you know, the 4 hour candle didn't really wick through, although the daily did. Okay, we wicked through this one, but we didn't wick through here. But anyway, I was still, I think, using the 1 hour time frame then, honestly. But yeah, so I still wanted to see other confluence on my side. I wanted to see a convincing market structure break, because we have the stop hunt. We have the stop hunt, right? What's after the stop hunt? Breaking market structure, BMS. And what did I see? We broke these 2 structures on the 15-minute time frame. We broke it right here. For better confirmation, you know, it's safer to wait for a 1 hour BMS. So not the cleanest structure, but maybe after this BMS would have been a better confirmation, safer confirmation. But I like to use the 50-minute time frame as well. So it's really up to you. Whatever. If you don't feel confident using the 50-minute, use the 1 hour time frame. But anyway, so we have the stop on. We have the 15-minute BMS already signaling to me. This is signaling to me that there's going to be a shift in momentum, especially because, like I said, we took out a lot of liquidity from the previous weekly highs. So I saw this clean 15-minute order block here, right there, that I knew I wanted to sell from. and I refined inside that OB. I saw this 1 minute origin right here, right here. So I saw this order block here inside the 50-minute OB where I knew I wanted to sell from. I wasn't sure whether the price was going to retrace that deeply into here, so if it didn't retrace that deeply, I would just wait for another 1 minute confirmation, another 1 minute stop on BMS RTO, and of course eventually, I'm just going to take this out so it looks cleaner. Eventually, let's stop the 50-minute price. Oops, that was a little too fast, but price taps into my zone. See this perfect entry. Oof. Perfect, lovely, sexy, amazing. I had a 3 pip stop loss right there, and of course my first target is 5R, but we started to range here like this, you know. My target was here, and before this dropped down, we're just ranging here, and I was at the gym and I didn't want to just keep on checking my phone, so I took some partials at 4R, and then the next partials after that was at, I think, 10R. Ready? 10R right here, around there. But before that, or after that, what gave me confirmation to hold this trade is that we broke the structure here. So now I'm thinking, okay, maybe now we're gonna sell off here to take my buys. That's why I was confident holding partials all the way down. You know, I was aiming for 60R, but you know, the last partials I took were 50R, so let's just say 50R. But I was aiming for, because I knew we have to react off something here, and I was thinking, okay, inside this 4-hour OB, we have this nice 1 hour order block inside that I can TP at. And yeah, that was basically the trade, guys. Did I miss out on anything? No, I didn't miss out on anything. That was the trade. And if we see it play out, of course, it went all the way down, 50R. Beautiful, beautiful trade. 150 pips, but pips don't matter. Risk to reward matters. Pips don't matter. I can have a 150 pip trade, but my stop loss could be 50 pips rather, and that's a 3R trade. It's, you know, it doesn't really matter. It's just people be flexing, saying, "Oh, I caught 200 pips." What was your stop loss, bro? Anyway, I'm not here to hate on anybody. That was a trade. I only took a few trades this week, actually. I took 2 good trades. One ran 30R, one ran 50R. That's 80R for the week, and I took like 2 or 3 losses, maybe like 2 or 3 break-evens. 2 break-evens and 2 losses, I think. So yeah, it wasn't the best week in terms of win rate, but in terms of RR, it was a crazy week. Yeah, that's the trades. Anything else I want to say? Not really. Damn, I feel like, you know, I kept it so simple. Everyone's probably wondering, like, nah, that can't be it. But honestly, that was it. Nothing else. Stop hunt, BMS, RTO. Look for the liquidity. Look for the breaking market structure. Use your higher time frames for direction, and that's all you need. That's really all you need. So yeah, I'll leave you guys there. Remember to keep it simple. Please stop asking me about one-to-ones because they're now closed. I'm not taking any more. If you ask me about one-to-ones, I probably would not reply you. I feel like there's more things I have to say. Is there anything I'm missing out on? No, there isn't. So yeah, I hope everyone had a good week. Remember to back test. So I took some losses. I took a loss here because I was stupidly going against structure. You know, how would I know? How would I learn from my losses? By back testing, right? I'm actually going to back test right while I'm uploading this video. I'm going to back test. So make sure you guys back test this weekend. Figure out why you took your losses. Don't come moping, "Oh, I'm not profitable. I don't know why." Well, you don't know why because you don't back test. You don't look back to the week and see what you could have done to turn your loss into a win, or like how you could have, you know, manage your risk properly so that that loss would not be a significant loss, you know, things like that. So I'll leave everything here for you guys. Yeah, see you guys next week if I decide to upload a video. Peace out, keep it simple, love you, bye.